Llechen Lan arall I chdi yma hen yma, ac mae'n debyg yn hanesyddol, pedair Llechen Lan yn olynol erioed I digwydd yn hanes y clwb o'r blaen. Sut ti'n ymateb I hynna?
Ie, mae'r boes wedi bod yn ardderchog. Fi'n meddwl mae pawb wedi cymfrannu at y pedwar Llechen Lan yn olynol, a ni fel carafan yn gweithio'n galed I trial stopo'r goals mewn, a hwnna beth ni wedi gwneud yn dda yn ddiweddar.
Llanelli worked hard. You know, they've played really well in phase 2. I've watched all their games, and you know, they've been in every game, and they were certainly in tonight's game at 1-0. So you know, we had to be our best defensively to make sure they didn't really create anything clear cut. But as saying that, you know, I can't ask any more of the lads. They've worked hard, defended as a team. Yes, we're disappointed with some of our play in the final third, but you know, to walk away with a win when we've lost here twice already this season, we certainly would have taken that.
Mae wedi bod yn dechreuad perffaith, really. Ni wedi mynd I 3 lle anodd I cael 3 pwynt a I cerdded mas gyda Llechen Lan yn pob gêm hefyd, so chi'n gallu gofyn mwy o'r boes, really.
Terry, unfortunately, a 1-0 loss for you here tonight seals your fate at the bottom of the table. What's your reaction after that game?
To be honest, I think disappointed. Over the 90 minutes, I think we were well worth a goal, possibly a draw. I'm sure Tony would think or say otherwise. But no, you know, look, in the interim period, I was asked to come in because of the circumstances of where the boys were. And to be fair, they've given 100%. I can't ask for anything more. And we are getting better. It's baby steps. But as I've said to them, and I've said more than once on the programme, where I think it's going to be the longest pre-season ever. But no, you know, tonight I think it showed that at times we were pretty good going forward, but the end product was letting us down. And on the other side of it, it was a mistake that we made, and obviously we conceded a goal to them. Overall, yeah, you know, I'm pleased. Am I disappointed? Yes. Everybody is in the dressing room. But hey, onwards and upwards, we're going to keep battling on the training pitch, and then hopefully see if we can get some scalps before the end of the season.
Last year we kept a lot of clean sheets, you know, again because we defended as a team. And when we concede, it's not down to Ivan or Luke or the defenders; it's down to everybody on the pitch. And we've certainly improved that in the last few months. I think it's 6 in our last 7 games clean sheets. 4 in a row though is a fantastic start to phase 2, and you know we would have certainly been aiming to get as many points as we could have at the start, but to get 12 after 3 tough away games out of the 4th, then it's really pleasing, and you know we just get a chance to rest now before a game a week Sunday against Flint.